Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Price analysis 8 or 1 BTC ETH BNB XRP ADA SOL DOGE DOTMATIC AVAX. Bitcoin and most major altcoins have been rejected by recent resistance, hinting at a few more days of consolidation. After strong monthly gains in July, Bitcoin, BTC, and the altcoin have started the new month on a tentative note. Even the United States equities markets have started August on a soft note. Is the bottom in both securities head of U.S. equity and quantitative strategy Savita Subramanian said in recent note that the stock market usually bottoms after earnings estimates are revised lower, but that has not yet happened during the current downturn. Analysis in the crypto space also remain divided on whether the current rise is bear market really or the start of a new bull fight. However, a minor positive is that the world's first Bitcoin spot bridge exchange traded pond ETF. The purpose Bitcoin ETF has added 2,600 Bitcoin to its holdings, although the total assets under management remain well below the all-time high. The recent addition is seeing that some institutional investors may have traded bottom fishing, called Bitcoin and altcoin find buyers at lower levels. Let's study the chart of the top 10 cryptocurrencies to find out BTC, USDT, the bulls repeatedly pilot to sustain Bitcoin above the overhead resistance at 24.276 in the past few days, indicating that the bears are defending the level with all their might. The price has pulled back to the 20-day exponential moving average EMA 22.515, which is likely to add a strong support of the price rises from the 20-day.
So, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.